Welcome to Getting Started with NLP and Deep Learning with Python, a video course by Pact Publishing. By the end, you will have explored the concept of natural processing language and recommendation systems. Giuseppe Bonaccorso is a machine learning and big data consultant with more than 12 years of experience and further postgraduate specialization. During his career, he has covered different IT roles. He has developed and managed projects using many technologies, including Java, Python, Hadoop, Spark, Theano, and TensorFlow. His main interests focus on artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and philosophy of mind. Machine learning is a topic that is becoming more and more important, not only for IT professionals and analysts, but also for all those scientists and engineers who want to exploit the enormous power of techniques such as predictive analysis, classification, clustering, and natural language processing. Machine learning applications are everywhere, from self-driving cars, spam detection, document search and trading strategies, to speech recognition. This makes machine learning well suited to the present-day era of big data and data science. The main challenge is how to transform data into actionable knowledge. In this course, you will learn all the important machine learning algorithms that are commonly used in the field of data science, classification or regression based on your problem. The very first section, Introduction to Natural Language Processing, explains the concept of bag of words and introduces the most important techniques required to efficiently process natural language datasets. The next section, Topic Modeling and Sentiment Analysis in NLP, introduces the concept of topic modeling and describes the most important algorithms, such as latent semantic analysis and latent Dirichlet allocation. The third section, A Brief Introduction to Deep Learning and TensorFlow, introduces the world of deep learning, explaining the concept of neural networks and computational graphs. We also cover main concepts regarding the TensorFlow and Keras frameworks, with some practical examples. The last section, Creating a Machine Learn Architecture, explains how to define a complete machine learning pipeline, focusing on the peculiarities and drawbacks of each setup. All practical examples are written in Python and use the scikit-learn machine learning framework, Natural Language Toolkit, NLTK, and TensorFlow, Deep Learning Framework. These are available for Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows with Python 2.7 and 3.3. When a particular framework is employed for a specific task, detailed instructions and references will be provided. So let's begin this wonderful journey together, and I hope to see you there.